Hello my friends and subscriber. I have another video right now where you can see the two smokestack of the power plant. I've seen this in the last 2 days. There are two smokestack. Look at my video. It's still intact. Yesterday afternoon, I found out that two of that are subject to be demolished. Maybe the size is like 12 feet in the diameter. This power plant is serving the city of LA. I'm not sure if this is a picker plant, but there are like 3 sets of steam power plant in that area. As I keep looking around yesterday, there's somebody working on the top side of that smokestack, and I've seen 3 cranes standing at the side. So during my break, I just sit down and watch them closely, and I found out that there are 2 people in a basket trying to probably remove the bolts that interconnect the smokestack. So I'm a little bit curious. I just keep on taking the video. And in the afternoon, I found out one of the smokestack is already gone. So today, during my break again, I sat down on the curb and I saw 2 people on the top riding in a basket. And there are 3 cranes again. They're trying to use acetylene, probably some of the bolts. It's very hard to loosen up. So maybe they just cut the bolts itself. This is a very high or very tall smokestack of the steam power plant. The last one, they cut it out yesterday and today at lunchtime. I can see really how they take out the upper portion of that smokestack. I can barely see it even though I use the zoom of my phone, but you can barely see it. There's 2 people on the top riding in a basket, which is lowered down by the crane. And you can barely see the 2 people on the top. So here you go. The left side crane is trying to lower down the people that cut the bolts, and the big crane is ready to pull it out. Look at the 2 guys. It is being lowered now, and the top side of the smokestack is already removed from the top portion, and it's going down. The work for the day is almost over. Just 1 smokestack. They're really fast and they're very safe. That's what I like. You work fast and observe safety. There are 3 cranes that really maneuver in this area, and it's very safe. Probably next week, this will be gone. I observed on the other stock that got removed last time, it took them only a day. They start in the morning, and by the time they stop working at 3 o'clock, the first stock, it's already gone. So the stock is being lowered down to the ground, and they'll be back for sure Monday. You know, the quitting time for the people on the field is 3 o'clock. They start at 6 and they knock off their work at 2:30 or 3 o'clock. So that's how they work. The union people work at the job site. Easy and safe. They just take their time working on any construction here. They're very safe. And they're so meticulous. They work by numbers. And they plan it properly. So, thank you guys for watching. That's all my video for today. Everything is done now. They cleaned up the job site already. And they position again their crane, and for sure it will be ready again to remove the upper portion of that stock by Monday. They're gonna start early morning for sure, because it's getting hot here in LA County. So today is Friday. Thank you very much for watching, and thanks God. It's Friday again. That means we're gonna have another or 2 days of weekend. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Have a good weekend, everybody, and I love you all.